Good morning, student. This is class 7, subject science. And yesterday I taught you about mouth, teeth. And today I am going to teach you about tongue. What is role of tongue in digestion of food? See, the tongue is tongue is a muscular organ and it helps to mix saliva in the food. It attaches at the back to the front of the buccal cavity. It is muscular. You can see tongue in picture. And it is free at front and can be moved in all directions. The tongue pushes the food towards our teeth. The tongue helps in swallowing. When you are going to swallow food, that time it helps and send it in food pipe. And that food pipe is also known as esophagus. Okay. See, the tongue is the main organ of taste. You can taste food with the help of tongue. Without tongue you can't taste. That is sour or sweet or bitter taste of food. So, different sets of taste buds. You can see different taste, and you can taste by these taste buds. It is located in the specific areas of the tongue. And distinguished whenever the food is sweet, salty, sour, bitter. You can taste by these taste buds. The taste bud help us to select the right quality of food. The tongue also help to speak. If tongue is not present in mouth, can't I think you understand about tongue and work of tongue. How can it is helpful to us? Next topic is the esophagus. What is esophagus? The mouth cavity opens into a tube called esophagus. Mouth cavity opens in esophagus. Through this esophagus, the swallowed food passes into large sac-like structure. That large sac-like structure is known as stomach. You can see in picture. Okay, that is sac-like structure. That is stomach. Food, this food pushes down by the wave-like movement of the wall of the food pipe. In food pipe there are a wave-like movement, and this wave-like movement in the food pipe which pushes the food forward, that wave-like movement called peristalsis. This wave-like movement takes place throughout the alimentary canal and pushes the food downward. In this kind, food from when you swallow food, that goes in food pipe, that is known as esophagus, and from esophagus after peristalsis movement, it goes into sac-like structure that is known as stomach. You can see the picture of esophagus. Okay, see, next topic, stomach. Food take only 6 seconds to travel down the esophagus. After esophagus, it goes, it reach in the stomach. You know, glands in the wall of stomach, in inner wall of stomach, gland, and secretes digestive juices. That digestive juices contain HCl, hydrochloric acid, and enzyme, and that enzyme called pepsin. You know, the stomach muscles churn the food with gastric juices. The acid present in the juice kills germs, in which germs come with food that kills by that HCl, hydrochloric acid. And pepsin, that enzyme pepsin helps break down proteins. After stomach, food goes into duodenum. I shall teach you about duodenum and other part of alimentary canal tomorrow. Today's homework, see, you all will make esophagus, picture of esophagus, stomach, and write name of part of esophagus, or so how peristaltic movement occur in esophagus. Second thing, what is work of stomach and what is work of esophagus in alimentary canal or in digestion of food. Okay.